Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome. Well friends, I just wanted to share with you my monthly Costco haul. So I'll make this real quick. So back here, I just have a 60 pack of Pringles. The kids like taking these in their lunch and they are back to school 2 days a week now. So we got them some of these Pringles. My youngest asked for some protein bars. We have not tried these yet, so I'm hoping he likes them. If you've tried them, let me know what you guys think. I have 2 gallons of milk. We have some string cheese here. Again, this is another thing the kids like to take in their lunches. And then I have some Baby Bell cheese. And then it's later in the day for us. We normally try to get out earlier in the day, but today we had done some yard work. So we just decided to pick up 2 of Costco's pizzas. We did a pepperoni and half cheese. I don't know if you guys have ever had it. Their pizza is really good. That's what it looks like. So we are going to chow that down very shortly. Back there I have my Mexican cheese, which you guys know is one of my staples. We were running low on eggs, so I picked up some eggs. And then my youngest asked for a bunch of fruit. So we got some strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, and some bananas. And then I picked up a bag of those little potatoes. If you haven't already checked out my video, please check it out. I have an air fryer little potato recipe. They are so good. This bag was like 6 something for 5 pounds. So this was a really good price compared to what I usually pay in the grocery store. So here I have 2 boxes of the Jimmy Dean croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese croissants. The kids, hubby, and all of us really like this for breakfast. I picked up a big pack of romaine lettuce for salads. Picked up some yellow frozen corn. This is a staple in our house. 4-pack of bacon. And then back here I have some taquitos. Again, this is great for the kids. They like eating those for lunch. And then I picked up 2 packages of the Purdue chicken nuggets. I've mentioned this before in my videos. The kids used to eat the Tyson all the time, then they tried the Purdue, and there's no going back for them. So I picked up 2 bags of those. And again, another staple, you all know I love my rotisserie chicken. I divide this up into 3 packages, a pound a pack, and I use that for my chicken enchiladas, my chicken avocado salad, all different kind of things. And then I picked up a pack of the chicken andouille sausage. They don't always carry this, so whenever they have it, I pick it up and then I just break it down and freeze it for different recipes. And then here in the front, we have some burgers. We're going to be having burgers for dinner one day this week. And then there in the back, we got some treats for the dogs, some jerky treats. This is one of their favorite treats they absolutely love. I have Splenda. We're big iced tea drinkers, so we use a lot of Splenda. So I bought a 2-pack of Splenda. And then I have some rolls here. We're going to be having some hot Italian sausage for dinner one night this week. So we picked up some rolls. And then some bread just for breakfast and lunches for sandwiches and stuff. We like the Hearty, Farmhouse Hearty white bread. And then I picked up some rolls. And these are the Farmhouse Hearty white rolls. The kids like these for their burgers, so we picked those up. Now this is new to me. I've been seeing this talked about quite a bit, that people really like this seasoning. This is the buttery steakhouse, so we decided to try it. So I will let you guys know what we think of that. If you have tried this, leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think of it and what you use it on. I'm assuming we're going to use it on steak, but if you use it on anything else, let me know in the comments below. And then hubby picked up a bathing suit. And then lastly, I have this beverage dispenser. I really like this one. You can put the fruit on top to put in the cups, and then in the bottom you can put some fruit down there to be cut up if you need it for later. And what I really like, it has like a little drip tray there. I have two of the, well, not two of this exact one, but I have two drink dispensers, and I accidentally dropped one and broke it, and I do use these a lot, so I picked that up. And then the last thing that I got here was they had these pots on sale. It was 3 of them for 20 bucks, and quite a few of my terracotta pots on the patio has broken, and I needed to replace them, so I decided to grab those and just try those out. Oh, and I forgot, I have 2 cases. It's 40 bottles per case of just plain water in the garage. They were just too big and heavy to bring into the house. So this is everything that we picked up today. So I will give you a second to take a look and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think I spent today for all of this. All right, my friends, so my total price for all of this was $363.22. Sounds like a lot, but there is quite a bit of fruit and meats in here. We did get quite a bit, so I didn't think that was too bad. So anyway, friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, as it greatly helps me out. And if you're subscribed, hit that little bell because it'll notify you every time I have a new video coming out. So friends, thanks again. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!